The replacement of Watson Boas, the influential 70-game veteran who has played 9 times for the Kumuls, is one of 2 forced changes in the Hunters lineup for the Round 6 clash with the Tigers at Bycroft Oval. Energetic utility forward Edwin Ipape will return in Round 8 from a 2-game suspension collected in the Hunters' 25-18 Kokora Cup loss to Burleigh Bears. 19-year-old Judah Rimbu played 70 minutes against the Burleigh Bears, has benefited from time in camp with the Hunters squad and valuable time with Boas in preparation for the veteran's departure. Playing for the Premiers Hella Wigman, Rimbu was last season's Rookie of the Year in PNG's Digicel Cup competition. While Boas and Ipape join an absentee list that also includes winger Brandon Gutuno, Enoch Maki and Joe Joshua, coach Matt Church believes he has the depth in the side to continue the Hunters' consistency and enthusiasm, which has delivered 3 wins from 5 games in 2021. The Hunters enter Sunday's match in 4th place, while the Tigers are 9th after 2 wins from their opening 5 matches. Sunday's clash at the Runaway Bay Seagulls base of Bycroft Oval will kick off at 3 p.m. Kilawani Trukai Sports.